Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. So we're just going to jump straight into the tutorial. First I'm doing the dewdrop nail. First I am putting a base color. You can use any base color you want, but I am going with a spring butterfly theme today. So I am using this bright green. Next I am applying Kiara Sky's Mist Me. It is a cat eye gel. To create the dewdrops, I am using the Beetles Gel Rhinestone Glue. For the next design, I'm using Electric Guava from Born Pretty. I did a swatch of this in my last video, but I felt like I didn't really do it justice. I've used it in some shorts, so today I am trying to really show it off. Also, if you like this gel, I will have it linked down below in the description box. I've never painted butterfly wings before, so I was just kind of winging it. I would say the technique is pretty similar to how you would create a citrus nail design. I think I should have looked at some more reference photos or more tutorials on this, but I think it came out good. I like it. I feel confident about it. I did two nails like this, but I couldn't get them to look exactly alike. So I just did like two different versions of the design. While you all are watching this, I did get a new lamp. I made a short with it. I got the matte black lamp from Kiara Sky, and I love it so much. I can already tell the difference between my volume 2 lamp and the new lamp. I've had my volume 2 lamp for like 3.5 years, and it did kind of sit around packed up for a while, so I didn't start using it like consistently until about 2 years ago, but it was definitely time to replace it. I could tell with the way that my gel was curing and just the way that it felt when my hand was inside the lamp. I was like, nope, don't like that. So it's just very nice to finally have a new lamp. I've been dreaming of a new lamp for a few months now. I'm using a white gel to put some dots on top of the black. And then once I finished that, I felt like the design was just kind of missing something, so I added these little like swoopies. I guess would it be like antenna? I don't know. I just did it because it seemed butterfly-y. For the third nail, I am doing the same exact thing. I'm using electric guava as my base, and then I'm going to do another butterfly wing design. I also ended up adding some rhinestones to the other nail. And then I tried to line these up the best that I could. Now the reason these didn't come out similar in size is because I didn't make the lines long enough. But instead of starting over again, I just decided to adapt. I tried my best to stay within the center of the frame for these clips in this video, but I accidentally moved my tripod, so it came out a little wonky. I would really like to get a macro lens for when I film because I think that would make things look a lot better. I just feel like my hands take up so much of the frame a lot of the time, and it's kind of annoying, but I also don't really know how to avoid it because I film on my iPhone. For the last nail, I am doing my green and my silver cat eye combination again. I wanted to do a flower on this nail too, but this time I'm actually like trying to do it myself instead of using a silicone mold. And I think it came out pretty good. It wasn't bad for like a serious first attempt. I don't have any colored like 3D gel. I'm using the Ball Pit Nails Fantasy Clay, but it's just the clear version. When I did this, I dipped my little tool in some alcohol and it helped the gel move a little bit better. Before I was just going in with a dry tool, and I think that's where I was messing up. With these 3D gels, sometimes you kind of have to treat them like they're poly gel and use some sort of solution to make them work better. And then with my flower, I just painted it with a pink gel polish. It's a little bit translucent, but I kind of don't mind that it looks like that. I think if I find myself like genuinely enjoying making these kinds of flower designs, I would invest in some colored gel products for this. In the center of the flower, I just placed a yellow rhinestone, and then I finished the nail with some more dewdrops. And now it's time to top coat everything. This time I'm using one of my old Kara Sky top coats because, like I said, it's old and the brush on it is also messed up. It arrived like that when I bought it like 3 years ago. Here's the final reveal. I think I need to explore the butterfly wings a little bit more, but I'm not mad at this. I think it's really cute. And if you guys like this design too, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost to 300 subscribers. I would like to hit 300 by the end of the month, like for my birthday. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. I always love hearing from you all, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.